So, you guys, I thought I would do a vlog right now because sometimes there'll be nights like this where the kids or where Edward or where all of them will ask for something sweet, and I'll just have to use what ingredients I have. Um, right now, we are actually in the process of selling. That went a little dark because my battery's dying. Selling our home, so we don't have a lot of ingredients. We don't have a lot of stuff. The fridge is full. I mean, you can't tell by this. But the kitchen is cleaned out and empty. I don't have a lot of my baking and cooking items. So I'm just doing the best I can with that. So, anyways, this is kind of a true to story. Me finding things to make them something sweet. In particular, Edward wants cookies. So here I go with exactly what I have. I have some almond milk, so I'm going to use that. We have what do we have? I don't think there's even anything in here. Oh, a little bit. We have some peanut butters, so I'll probably use that. Although one of the kids, probably Cody, will say they don't want peanut butter in their cookies, but we'll see. And then I can use these old bananas. Right now I only have white flour, and I don't even know why I have this. I was using it for something in particular, and then now it's the only flour we have, so I've been using it in different cooking, so I'm going to have to use white flour. I prefer wheat flour, but this is what we have right now, so I'm going to use that. We don't have any vanilla, I know that for sure. My spice cabinet is mostly gone. I just have a few spices. I'll show you down here. I just have a few spices like boxed up because we're showing our house right now. And so when people come to see the house, I have to like put everything away. So we just have a few spices in there. It's dark, you can't see, but vanilla's not one of them, and I haven't bought any more because I don't want to, mess up the kitchen, make more stuff to have to pack away. So this actually has. Now we're making one of the bananas. Need it a little bit more sweet. I'm whipping it up till it's right. So here is our. This is the first batch. We did 5 minutes. They weren't ready, so put them back in for another 2 minutes, and they're looking pretty darn good. So I'm going to take them off and put them on a cooling rack, and we'll taste them. Alright, so that's that. We made the cookies. They're all out now. I'm going to have a couple of these. I drizzled a little bit of that sweetened condensed milk on the top of a few of them. And I'm going to have these. There it is. And that is my baking vlog. Talk to y'all later. It's a little move.